In this video, we'll be treating some past questions from SSC examinations and UTME examinations. The first one will be from WAEC 2017. Number 1 says commercial activities received a great boost in West Africa due to contact with A. Asians, B. Europeans, C. Americans, D. Africans. So the answer here is Europeans. Let's go back to the history of commerce in Nigeria. Remember we talked about the history of commerce under two headings, the pre-colonial era and the colonial era. And under the colonial era, we looked at the fact that great breakthrough came as a result of our contact with Europeans. They came, they brought their copper, their artifacts, and as a result, we exchanged our slaves, our hide and skin, kola nuts, cocoa, and other materials. We exchanged it with their copper and other materials. So that's the answer to question 1. Then question 2, 2018, same WAEC question. Activities which facilitate commerce include A. Engaging youth in environmental sanitation, B. Funding political campaigns, C. Providing recreational facilities in communities, and D. Improving road networks. And the answer is improving road networks. If you remember the aids to trade, aids to trade are those ancillaries that facilitate trade, that facilitates buying and selling. So we have improvement in road network. Then 3, I'll choose the question from UTME 2014. It says cooperation and friendliness are enhanced amongst nations through interdependence necessitated by A. Tourism, B. Commerce, C. Agriculture, and D. Socio-cultural activities. So the answer is commerce. You remember the definition of commerce, so I won't go back there. Then the 4th question, also from UTME 2018, an aspect of commerce that facilitates the distribution of products is A. Transportation, B. Advertising, C. Branding, D. Trading. So the answer is simple, transportation. That's option A. That which facilitates distribution of products, transportation. Then the last one here, I picked theory question from 2016 SSC examination. It says, explain 5 ways in which commerce is important in the life of a nation. So this is asking us about the functions of commerce. 1, commerce aids industrialization. 2, commerce helps a country to increase the standard of living of its citizens. As a result of commerce, we know that employment opportunities would be open almost on a daily basis, which will help to increase the standard of living of the people by creating jobs, both skilled and unskilled. Commerce also encourages research. Commerce fosters international relations, likewise national relationship. And lastly, commerce creates an avenue for more creations of goods and services in order to provide utility and satisfaction for human wants.